Hello everyone. Today's topic is mathematical formulation of Newton's second law of motion. For this, we will first discuss Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum of an object is proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of the force. Let us discuss some observation from our everyday life. Suppose a truck is moving with very low speed. So, it may kill a person standing in its path. In this case, the mass of truck is very large but the velocity of truck is very less. Now, we will discuss another example. A small mass object like bullet may kill a person when fired from a gun. In this case, the mass of bullet is very small, but the velocity of bullet is very large. This observation suggests that the impact produced by the objects, it depends on their mass as well as velocity. And mass and velocity together is nothing but momentum, which is represented by the product of mass and velocity, or P is equal to mv. Now, let us move towards the mathematical formulation. A force F acts on a body of mass m and changes its velocity from u to v in t seconds. Now here u is initial velocity and v is final velocity. So the initial momentum of the body P1 is equal to mu and final momentum of the body P2 is equal to mv. Now to get the change in momentum, we have to subtract P1 from P2, which is equal to mv minus mu, or mv minus u. For time t, the rate of change of momentum is represented as m multiplied by v minus u upon t, which is equal to ma. As we know, a is acceleration of the body and which is represented by v minus u upon t. This is our equation number 1. According to the Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force. So, F is directly proportional to ma, or F is equal to kma, where k is constant. The unit of force is so chosen that the value of constant k becomes 1. If m is equal to 1 and a is equal to 1, then F is also becomes 1. Then force is equal to mass into acceleration. So a unit force is that force which produces a unit acceleration of unit mass. As we know that the unit of force is Newton, and 1 Newton is that force which produces an acceleration of 1 meter per second square in a body of mass 1 kg. 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg multiplied by 1 meter per second square, or 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg meter per second square. So F becomes ma, because F is equal to mv minus u upon t. This is our equation number 2, which is equal to Ft is equal to mv minus mu. When F is equal to 0, automatically v is equal to u. And t, as we know that it's a time taken. This means that the object will continue moving with uniform velocity. throughout the time t. If u is 0, then v also be 0 and the object will remain at rest. Hope you have learned the mathematical representation very clearly. Thank you.